Hi, Rockstars. Today I will be laying a powerful foundation in your chemistry journey. It's not possible for you or for anyone to lay a strong grip on chemistry without understanding this basic of elements. Elements forms the backbone to chemistry. So it's impossible for one to know chemistry without knowing elements. And in this class, I will be breaking down the first 20 elements, making the basics to be very simple so that as you advance and as we advance together in the journey of chemistry, chemistry will become exciting and very easy for you to comprehend. Greetings, future rockstars, and welcome to Josh White Academy, where we fuel your success with experience-backed strategies and science-based tutorials. If you are new to this channel, I am your host, Josh White, and it's my mission to help you crush high school with confidence and clarity. So please do well to smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification. Let's begin. So, in the class today, we will be discussing the first 20 elements. Very important. I will be teaching you using a simple to understand mnemonics so that you can remember the first 20 elements easily. Now, the mnemonics is he has light brain but cannot offer few nine subjects. May all silly pupils stop calling a Pope Christ. Say it again with me. He has light brain but cannot offer few nine subjects. May all stupid pupil or may all silly pupils stop calling a Pope Christ. Yes, he has light brain but cannot offer few nine subjects. May all silly pupils stop calling a Pope Christ. Now, he is hydrogen, has helium, lithium, brain beryllium, but boron, can carbon, not nitrogen, offer oxygen, few fluorine, nine neon, subject sodium, may magnesium, all aluminium, silly silicon, pupil phosphorus, stop sulfur, calling chlorine, argon, pope potassium, and lastly Christ calcium. So this is the first 20 elements. He has light brain but cannot offer few nine subjects. May all silly pupils stop calling a Pope Christ. Now, Z here signifies our atomic number, which is the proton number or the number of proton found in the nucleus of an atom or the number of electrons in an unreacted atom. Now our A here is our mass number, which is most times a times 2 multiple of our atomic number. Now the normal listing of the elements in a periodic table are based on their atomic number as stated by the modern periodic law, that elements are arranged in the periodic function of their atomic number. So, simple. Hydrogen, which is the first, is 1, helium is 2, lithium is 3, beryllium is 4, boron is 5, carbon is 6, nitrogen is 7, oxygen is 8, fluorine is 9, meaning fluorine has 9 protons, neon is 10, sodium 11, magnesium 12, aluminum 13, silicon 14, phosphorus 15, sulfur 16, chlorine 17, argon 18, potassium 19, and calcium 20. So the normal listing in numeric order goes along with elements. The mass number is times 2 of the atomic number plus or minus 1. For example, hydrogen atomic number is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Minus 1, 1. Helium 2, 2 times 2, 4, 3. Lithium is 3, 3 times 2, 6. Plus 1, 7. Beryllium 4, 4 times 2 is 8, you see close to 9. Boron is 5, 5 times 2, 10, close to 11. Carbon is 6, 6 times 2, 12. Nitrogen is 7, 7 times 2, 14. Oxygen is 8, 8 times 2, 16. Fluorine is 9, 9 times 2, 18. Plus 1, 19. Neon is 10, 10 times 2, 20. Sodium is 11, 11 times 2, 22 plus 1, 23. Magnesium is 12, 12 times 2, 24. Aluminium is 13, 13 times 2, 26 plus 1, 27. Silicon is 14, 14 times 2, 28. Phosphorus is 15, 15 times 2, 30 plus 1, 31. Sulfur is 16, 16 times 2, 32. Chlorine is 17, 17 times 2, 34 plus 1, 35. Argon is 18. Yes, the mass number is 40. 18 times 2 should be 36. But argon has a mass number of 40, approximately 39.9. Phosphorus is 19. 19 times 2 should be 38 plus 1, 39. Calcium is 20. 20 times 2, 40. If you come across a question where you are asked for to use the mass number and you can't remember the mass number, remember the atomic number multiplied by 2. You are either exactly correct or plus or minus 1 correct. So understanding this basic makes chemistry easy and exciting. He has light brain but cannot offer few 9 subjects. May all silly pupils stop calling a Pope Christ. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. I remain your host, Josh White, leaving to catch you another day. Shalom.